A package has arrived from Amazon. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So what we have here is a radio-controlled hobby LiPo battery. This is a lithium polymer battery for Ovonic, I guess it's the brand name's name. It gives you all the precautions of, don't blow it up and don't burn your house down. So what I have this for is for my 12-volt water change pump, because I like to have a little bit bigger capacity one than the one that I got now. Because the other one is a 2200 milliamp hour and this one's a 5 amp hour. So it'll last a little bit longer, which is a good thing. And then I can use my little 2200 for a backup in case I deplete this one. So this is a hard case LiPo pack for a little bit more aggressive use for it, mostly land vehicles. So this is a hard case compared to a soft case. This is a soft case, so it's a little squishy. Anyway, comes with a balance cord and a Dean's T-plug, which is supposedly supposed to come out of this pack, but I don't think this one does, which is not a big deal. Because some of them you can remove the lead cord here, so you can store it. So it's a charging rate at 1C, never exceed 2C. So what that means is that since it's a 5 amp hour, you can charge this at 5 amps or lower, depending on what you want to use it for. So I'll get my little battery checker here, and this is a 4S pack, and we'll see if it has any life in it. So everything is at 3.77 volts, perfectly matched, so that's good. But I can't use this Dean's connector because my pump don't have a Dean's connector, it has Anderson. So what am I going to do? I'm going to chop it off. And since it's a live battery, I can't just clip the leads at the same time. So I'll have to do one at a time. What are you going to do? Chop it off? Yep. So this is a 12 gauge wire, stranded, tin copper, I believe. It's got the nice soft silicone jacket. So since I'm using Anderson connectors, I need the Anderson connectors along with the terminals. And since this is 12 gauge, I need this kind of terminal and a crimper for it. So this crimper has 3 settings in it. Has a 15 amp, a 30 amp, and a 45 amp, which doesn't really mean anything. I like to use the 30 amp and then just insert the wire and crimp it, just like so. And then we'll protect the terminal by putting the cover on. So now we don't have to worry about shorting it. And we'll strip this wire back. insert the terminal into the crimper, like so. And I wrecked that one. So we'll get another one. So I get these big giant packs of terminals. These come from Mauser. Here's the part number. This time we'll try just one click instead of 400. There we go. It's all set. Now, we'll charge it up, and then I can lock my terminals into the final position. So I have my China Pride Carnegie 7 amp charger here. It's the AccuCell 8150. And we'll get this plugged into power here. And we'll match up the terminals. So that one to that one, and that one to that one. And these things got a little dovetail and matching receiver. So we'll just slide them in. Now that's locked. Now we'll just plug it in. And on the sides of the charger has several balance ports up to 8 cells. So we'll pick the appropriate slot. Turn on power. And then I got several different menus for the charge I want. I got LiPo charge. Next one I got is LiPo balance, LiPo fast charge, LiPo storage, LiPo discharge, and then back to LiPo charge. So we're going to go to LiPo balance, hit the start. We're going to select our amperage. We're going to go all the way up to 5 amps. We're verified that we are 4S. Checking the battery. Do you want to cancel or stop? Rock and roll. And now we're charging. So that's that for this video. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.